Matte pomade bridges the gap between the deluxe pomade and the featherweight product.
I've been using the matte pomade in a lot of straight hair, a lot of pompadours, a lot of haircuts with volume, or even a classic comb over.
It works in just about any hair type.
It goes in really, really easy, very smooth, very silky almost. Yeah, it's magic.
Lightweight in the hair, works in both damp and dry hair.
The more you rub it together, you can get some texture out of it, some grit, but from the moment you put your hands into it, it just glides.
And you can really scrunch it in. It just works through really, really nicely, especially at the end of the cut and it's slightly wet. It just leaves a really nice film over it. You don't have to use too much, which is the beauty.
Just work it in with a bit of heat, and that's where you can get your volume from.
Because of the fact that there's no petroleum, it coats the hair really well. It makes my job significantly easier and does not flake when it's, recombed.
The shorter, choppier, cropped haircuts, that seems to be where it fits a gap in the product range. It's very, very carefree to use, it's very loose, but at the same time it's strong.
I've used the matte pomade on all types of hair in the shop, coarse, straight, thick, thin, old, young. It seems to work great in everything. A real versatile product.
But people want it to be matte. They want it to be dry looking, like they've just rolled out of bed and look this good. Out of all the products, it is probably the most versatile because you can use it across near enough every single cut that you use.
My name is Shane Nesbitt. I own Shane's Barbershop in San Mateo, California.
I'm Tommy J from Hair by Tommy J's.
My name's Luke Dolan. I have 2 shops in London, Brycelip and another place in Watford.
Chris Brownless, Northwest Barber Co.
Dane Hesse, I own Eagle and Pig Barbershop in Costa Mesa, California.